if you want to translate a website in a browser on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, here's what you need to do. So first we're going to start with the Samsung Internet Browser. In this case, at the bottom, you should be able to find this guy, the Galaxy AI icon. So we're going to use it in order to use Translate. And over here, we need to wait a couple of seconds. At the top, you can also choose the language that you wish to see on the website, and there we go. You can also show the original in case you want to revert that change for now, but that's how it simply works. Now we're gonna also use the Chrome browser as an example. So in this case, let's open an example website. And over here in the top right corner, you should be able to tap on these three dots, and then we have Translate. And then we are translating the page to the selected language. In this case, it is once again English. So what you can do is you can tap on the setting icon in order to go to more languages, and you can translate to any other language. Let's say we're gonna choose perhaps Norwegian. And there we go, we have translated the website. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.